Wow, I see an agate. I see an agate. Just over there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Well, that's pretty cool. Okay, where's that agate go? Don't know if you can see it. Right here. Look at that. Stripes in there and everything. I know I'm a geek, but that's pretty cool. Okay, wonder if we can see any more agates. Trick to seeing them is kind of looking in the light, and then it kind of, like this one, it kind of shines through. These are a little bit dirty, but you never know if that's an agate or not. Oh, there you go. It's an agate. A little darker one, but cool. At least that's two I've found. Yep. Nice. A little bit of a root beery one. Tumble that up. Cool. Sometimes it's good to go kind of along the edge of like where the rocks are, because like fresh rocks are always kind of coming out of the ground. Nope, the sun's come out. Let's see if we can see anything now. Let's walk backwards. I see one. Look at that. Sun comes out. One right there. Cool. Let's see. I think I see another one just over there, maybe. That's another one. See, sun comes out and there you go. Bing! Crazy. Just makes you wonder how many more you walk over. Just need the sun, just need the clouds to move a little bit. Let's just walk back upwards a little bit. Let's see here. What you doing, Tater? Yep. Sun's come out again. Let's just wander towards it a bit and see if we can see anything. Yep. Yep, another guy. Another little piece. Oh, hello, Taylor. Are you helping? Yeah. Not too bad actually, that one. I'm not sure if that's agate or not. But those definitely. Alright, well let's just see if there's any here. I see a little piece of agate, only a little piece. See it down here? Nice and shiny then. Yes, Taylor, hi. Yes. Yes, I missed you too. Go. Go, go, go. Go play. Go play. Okay, so that's another piece. It's better. The sun's come out. You can actually see things. I haven't seen any more agates yet, but... What are you doing, dog? I think I see a piece way over there, but... Yep. Way. That's a bit better. Yes, hi Taylor. Yes, we'll go home in a minute. Okay. Go find Reese. Go find Reese. Look, I'm on a mission. Look, I found another bit of agate just over there. You gonna come and help me get it? Come on. There you go. Another piece. Hi. Oh yeah, it's a rock. It's an agate. We're going to shine it up. Yes, we are. Look. Oh, there comes the... Go, Reese. Hi, Reese. It's... Hi. See another piece. Just here. Yes, hi Taylor. What? Just because I get down, you just want attention, don't you? Hey, go find Reese. Go find Reese. Go find her. And more while I'm down here. Oh, I see another piece. Way over there. See it? Oh, this is a big piece. Look at that. What do you think? Reese doesn't care. Look at that. It's a nice piece. See, just get the sun in the right angle and they just shimmer out. Hi, Taylor. I've just seen another one. Right. See it here? That's a nice colour. Look at that. Orange is that. Get that polished up. Beauty. But yeah, just see how so the light shines through. Cool. Oh, I just walked over one. You're just down here. See it there? That's nice. Look at the stripes. It's cool. I literally just walked over that one. And I see another one just over there. Can you see it? It's poking out there. You see it here? It's got rocks inside. Oh, I'm such a geek. But get them polished up. Sweet. Any more while I'm down here? Let's have a quick look and see what we got. Nice, nice, nice. Pretty good haul. Let's put those in there. A couple more in my pocket. Nice dark, deep. See, another good use for cup holders. All right, let's see where we're at.